Alright guys, this is Outdoorsman16 doing a ghillie suit video. This has been requested many times on how did I make it, what did I use. Mine is actually quite different from most people's. I used burlap as the body of it. Some people use jumpsuits, flight suits, whatever you want to call it, and they put netting on the back of it. I thought that was a lot harder than it needed to be. So what I did was sewed basically a trench coat design out of burlap. So, burlap has holes in it, which you can easily thread the jute twine through, right here. Tied it off with a square knot, and did this all over roughly 4,000 times. This was very time consuming, rather difficult to tell you the truth, but it's very sturdy and a lot sturdier than jumpsuit ones. And after I did all this, I spray painted it, and on the arms, head, and some places on the body, I frayed the jute twine to give it more of a bushy, full look to it. And see, on the head, I did the same thing. Same thing. And now I'm going to slip it on and show you what it looks like. And it has Velcro straps in the front, which is kind of convenient. I'm not going to slip on the mask. Also made ghillie gloves. Burlap and jute twine, same thing I did on the ghillie suit itself. Spray painted it. And I have this military issue OD green mask. Pretty warm, I like it. Yep, this is the ghillie suit. It is, once again, one piece and pretty easy to make. Other than the time consumingness, this took roughly, I believe, 24 to 26 man hours. But other than that, I mean, it was pretty easy, just time consuming. Alright, this is Outdoorsman16.